Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alex Reisinger, Program Manager of Career Navigation with Bridgeyear. Bridgeyear is a local nonprofit here in Houston that is on a mission to help high school students, all high school students, graduate with a plan into stable income and ultimately financial independence. And we are here at one of our key events, which is Essential Soft Skills for Success. We're at our partner location, Honeywell. Throughout the day, students start off with 2 curriculum sessions in the morning. The first one is a resume, and particularly how to craft a resume responsibly with the assistance of AI. And then our second session is called Pitch, Pay, and Professionalism, where students go through how to craft their own personal pitch. They learn more about pay expectations and what is reasonable here in the Houston area. And then they also learn some of the unspoken workplace rules that you may not know before you get into a real workplace. All those skills that they learn throughout the day are tested in the afternoon session, where they get to do a mock interview with a real professional at our corporate location. And then during the day as well, students get to do an expo hall where they visit with training partners and funding partners from across Houston to help them identify what their path is after high school. And that is Essential Soft Skills for Success with Bridgeyear.
And we are here at Bridgeyear's ES3 conference, the second one of the year. And it's a program we're piloting for the first time. We're very, very excited. Students have to come here and learn about professional development.
And how important it is to have a professional resume, how to act professionally, how to have a proper job interview, and how to respond to questions. And this exposure for our students has been very, very valuable.
Something interesting I learned today was the way to use AI to polish up resumes, not to use it to formally create your resume, but to polish it up and use it correctly.
I really enjoyed how the teachers or like the people in front of the class, how they made us feel comfortable to speak, and even if we were shy, they made it like a comfortable setting.
I really liked all the stations, especially the one where we practiced for interview, where we kind of broke down a response that we would give to an interviewer. Like, I know like during an interview, a lot of people like can get stuck with answering questions.
And then what we're looking at is Ina Elizalaki.